Welcome to AB Academy. Solubility, effect of temperature on solubility and effect of pressure on solubility. Now let us see what is solubility. The solubility is defined as the ability of a substance to dissolve in another and form a solution. In other words, the amount of solute in grams dissolved in 100 grams of solvent to prepare a saturated solution at a given temperature. For example, consider 100 grams of water in a beaker at 30 degrees centigrade are at room temperature. Firstly, add 10 grams of salt in 100 grams of water. It easily dissolves in the water. Secondly, again add 10 grams of salt in 100 grams of water, but this time some salt dissolves in the water and some salt settle down at the bottom. This means that a saturated solution of salt and water has been prepared at 30 degrees centigrade. Now listen carefully. The 20 grams of salt dissolved in 100 grams of water and got a saturated solution. Saturated solution means that 100 grams water can only dissolve 20 grams of salt at 30 degrees centigrade. The extra salt would settle down at the bottom. Thus, we say that the solubility of salt is 20 grams in 100 grams of water at 30 degrees centigrade. Now, how can we calculate the solubility of solution? Well, the formula of solubility is S is equal to mass of the solute over mass of the solvent into 100. Here, the mass of solute or salt is 20 grams that are dissolved in 100 grams of solvent or water. So we write S is equal to 20 grams over 100 grams into 100. Thus we get solubility is equal to 20%. It means that the solubility of salt is 20% in 100 grams of water at 30 degrees centigrade. Here we increase the temperature of water, solubility of salt will be increased. Thus remember that solubility means how many grams of solute is dissolved in 100 grams of solvent at a particular temperature. Now let's see that solubility depends upon three factors: nature of solute and solvent, pressure and temperature. For instance, the solubility of salt in water at 30 degrees centigrade would be high than solubility of sugar. It is because when the molecules of solute are similar in structure and properties to the molecules of solvent, solubility is usually high. Secondly, if the solute and solvent are gases, solubility is affected by the pressure. For example, in carbonated drinks, carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water at high pressure. So if you open the bottle, the pressure decreases and carbon dioxide gas evaporates. As a result, the solubility decreases. To learn the effect of temperature on solubility, you must see the three chemical reactions: exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction and isothermic reaction. For example, when you add calcium hydroxide to the water, heat is released in the surrounding is called as the exothermic reaction. Here we increase the temperature, the solubility of calcium hydroxide in the water decreases. Secondly, when you add ammonium chloride to the water, heat is absorbed from the surrounding. is known as the endothermic reaction. Here we increase the temperature, solubility of ammonium chloride in water increases. Thirdly, when you add salt to the water, heat is neither absorbed nor released, is known as isothermic reaction. If we increase or decrease the temperature, the solubility of salt does not change in the water. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.